Maraming salamat po sa panonood nyo ng aming performance ngayong araw sa The Show. And sa susunod, abangan nyo po kami. At wag na wag kalimutan i-stream ang aming album Curious. Malaking bagay po ang suporta nyo sa amin. So, pwede kayong umasa na mas lalo papagalingan namin sa susunod dahil mahal na mahal namin kayo. Salamat po. Ingat po kayo.
유니스のプリンセスじゃなかったとっても嬉しいです。ありがとうございます。ぜひ遊びに来てください。
네. 자, 해외 팬 여러분들께도 인사드릴까요? Hi everyone, are you having a good time today? I sure hope so. We do really hope so because we're having a lot of fun up here. So after our performance, there are a lot more performers coming up. So we're hoping that until the end, you show them a lot of love and us a lot of love and support. And yeah, just enjoy. Thank